winos? Who's driving this thing? Excuse me, miss. Are you legal to do this? I need your license and registration, ma'am.
No, I'm married now.
Yeah. I'm sorry, have you been drinking tonight?
Nope.
Not at all. Tonic Contain? What do we got here? We got the fabulous Brigitte on the hood with the sparkly shoes. They're surfing the station.
Yo, Tonic Contain, get off of there.
Will you grab that thing out of the way?
Careful, Tarzan.
I need to.
Hey, baby. You better hit the gas. You better hit the gas soon.
Your turn?
Ava, what do you think about these
You
two?
want to do a shoulder ride? No? All right.
Who's on? What? What? Jesus.